I was Colombia marketing Kenyan coffee and the Kenyan tourism destination. And as I was talking about the animals in this country, I talked about all the animals. But when you go to Europe, you don't become an European. When you go to America, you don't become an American. Some of us, when we are speaking, we think in our mother tongue, then we translate. The Kikuyu nation where I come from, the leopard and the tiger are one and the same. So when I was talking about the tiger, I saw some critics here asking, who is a tiger? I am telling them the tiger and the leopard from the Kikuyu nation where I come from, because I'm not an European, they are one and the same. So you are invited to see our leopard stroke tiger in our national park. Finally, as I conclude, on a light note, what you good people are doing and what I'm doing is good and is fine. Having response to deal with the natural disasters is a calling and God's work. But dealing with man-made disasters is not fair. We deal with two types of problems in this continent: natural calamities, drought, floods, and all. But we also deal with man-made disasters out of armed conflict in Africa. We are asking our brothers and sisters in the African continent to spare us from having to deal with the disasters and emergencies arising out of armed conflict as they fight for leadership and scarce resources.
Okay. Your Excellency, do you permit me?
Yeah, please. Now
before I forget.
You want to say something?
I need to translate that before I forget.